You paper chipping, no? But
welcome to Chef It Up with Sav. Today I am here with a guest star, Miss Ashton.
Hello.
She's very excited to be here. We are making, what are these called? Cereal milk pretzel rod from Bing Bong Sweet Stuff. So you can get these in Disneyland, California Adventure. Today we're gonna make the copycats and have a taste test later and see how they go. Off to a good start. We're gonna be attempting those. In the description down below, I will put the link to this recipe. It's from Disney Hungry on Instagram. I follow her. She's got a great Instagram if you like Disney food and things like that.
What does this make?
However many's in that bag. The first thing you're gonna need are Fruity Pebbles. The next key is pretzel rods. They're the big daddies. I don't even like pretzels very much. And then caramels, craft caramels. In her recipe, it calls for are they called like dips or?
Just the unwrapped caramel.
Tiny, look like circular things almost from what I saw, but we couldn't find them at the store, so Ashton was lovely enough to pre-unwrap them all for us. The final ingredients are Ghirardelli classic white chips. And it called specifically for the Ghirardelli ones, didn't it? Let's get started.
Add wheat.
Wheat.
Add water. You're gonna have to get that. These caramels are taking forever.
Ashton, I'm pretty sure you've been up there for 30 seconds.
I don't want to melt quick. Look at this whirlpool I got going on over here. Hashtag food porn.
It is time to start dipping the rods.
We gotta act fast.
Yeah,
Because this is
So I'm
gonna
gonna
take
put them
forever
to do all these. The pretzel rods are going okay. Ashton's being our caramelizer over here. Too thick.
Yeah, hard to work with.
Yeah, so we've got some of them done as you can see, but there's like a whole another parchment paper that you can't see right here. What I assumed was gonna be very easy and quick is kind of turning into a waiting game.
All right, so I think I just need to hurry. We definitely do not have enough caramel to do all of the pretzel rods.
15.
That's a pretty good amount.
16. I split those perfectly even across. What else do people do with these?
Eat them?
You just eat one?
Yeah, you just munch them. You just chomp them like a pretzel. Like, you literally just like take a bite. These are actually really good. You'd hate them.
Maybe. Did you push kids over on the playground?
Yeah, I threw a snowball one time actually at some girl's broken arm.
We gotta wait 15 minutes for these to set up and we will see you in just 1 second. Ashton, what are some things you can do for 15 minutes?
Start watching Hairspray.
That's calling me down. Hydro Flask should really sponsor us. I take this.
Okay.
The next step now is to melt those for like 30 seconds.
You have to add the Fruity Pebbles. Fruity Pebbles aren't gonna fit in there.
I'm just making you do everything. Watch Ashton make these recipe and then I eat it. That's
Pay attention. Cooking with Ashton now, not Savanna. Take these off, but I don't remember how you
She
do
said
it.
pull down, not up. Oh, look at that, look at that. Mmm.
I know, I did a good job, huh?
No. You didn't because we're double dipping them.
Oh, I forgot. So this isn't very much.
We already cut it in half. I don't know what we're doing wrong.
How many does this say it's gonna make?
We are struggle city, huh?
Then you can't stick them together.
I didn't mean to at all.
When's taste tester number 3 coming?
Bill Nye the Science Guy.
Oh, I was gonna start singing Bill Nye too, but not like that.
Science rules.
If you are making these, read directions before you just start.
Basically, her recipe, number 1, was not at fault. It was us. However, I feel as though you should say only use 8 to 12 pretzel rods in the instructions for idiots like us. But
This is a juicy one.
I'm gonna go for that one. Huh?
No.
Sit for 15 minutes and
So
then
then I
coat it.
can't let it sit for 15 minutes. It's getting dry.
Wait, hold on.
You can't put Fruity Pebbles in the microwave. They'll probably blow up.
I don't think so.
Those are also different from what we had too.
Oh yeah, she used the melting wafers instead of the bigger ones. But it's Ashton.
Okay, I have an idea. Okay. Goodness, yes. I also told your viewers while you were gone that whoever has to make these in Disneyland must be very dedicated, because I would hate having to do this every single day.
These look so good, you guys. I feel like I'm creating food porn today. How long do you have to wait? Someone ate one. Can we avoid the F word, preferably?
Oh! These wasn't even tighter. Things are not gonna eat themselves.
Me and Ashton haven't had dinner yet.
I had pasta and it's very good.
Okay. We're about to eat some dinner after this, but obviously we're adults, so we have to start with the dessert. Cheers, 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 cheers.
You guys. What are you rating?
This is life-changing.
We should have doubled the recipe.
Just us three.
That's definitely.
P.S. This isn't all it made. Like probably 20 total.
Mm-hmm.
Probably about 18 because like 4 of them were halves. What are you thinking? You guys aren't talking.
I like to talk when I'm enjoying something.
Oh, you're enjoying it.
Really good.
You're gonna eat the whole thing, huh? Okay. You can really taste the fruity pebbles. It reminds me of Joking! My lip! Do you need your Hydro Flask? It's a brand deal. Come on, didn't you know
You have to
Hydro
bring it
Flask
over
is
every time.
sponsoring this?
Oh.
One of them is like a good after dessert because it's a lot. And you saw how much candy we ate in our Valentine's video, so we got a sweet tooth. How much do you think these cost?
$15. Less than that, probably.
It's a good little treat. It was a fun. Was it fun?
Well, I bet it was fun for you. You watched. This is cooking with Savannah, but like
But Ashton did all of
I
it.
get tight on my temples in my head, and every time I bite, it's like working in my brain is hurting.
I would give these a 9 out of 10. My life was changed, but I don't think this is something I have to have every week of my life.
10. Just cheer it up. 10. I'm not gonna play no game with it.
8, 9.
Try these at home for sure.
Yeah.
Caramel, white chocolate, and Fruity Pebbles. Fruity Pebble pretzels directly to your house. You have to keep your chipping now. But we will send you this pretzel.
Thank you guys for watching us eat these delicioso pretzel rods. If you like this type of like and subscribe. And I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.
God sent me to this earth to be funny, just in case you're wondering.
You should like and subscribe or you will die.